Are you facing any of these hardships? Structural issues, unpermitted work, condemned houses, property is dated or in need of repairs, financial distress such as medical bills or foreclosure, sudden or unexpected life events, death of a loved one, job loss, downsizing, relocation due to retirement or job transfer, inherited property you can't keep, damage from natural disasters, vacant or problematic rental property, facing foreclosure, undesirable neighborhoods, tired of living in an ugly house, divorce, need for cosmetic fix-up, liquidating assets to pay bills, troublesome mortgage terms, and many more. The process: appointment, complete contact information sheet, call our office to schedule an appointment, on-site review. SD Redevelopment Group will contact you for an on-site appointment. Cash offer, appointment set, on-site review completed. SD Redevelopment Group will submit a written cash offer to purchase your home. Stress-free and cash in your hand. Why work with SD Redevelopment Group? What makes us different? Written guaranteed offer, flexible closing date, no closing cost. Trust that you are working with a licensed professional. No out-of-pocket cost. No additional work to your property. Cash offer, competitive. We buy as is, no repairs or other ever required. Transparent from start to finish. Changing the way San Diego views home flippers. Call us today, 619-417-2275. To schedule a free, no obligation appointment with SD Redevelopment Group to receive a cash offer today.